Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another online tutorial with Joy's signature. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to make a simple head wrap for an occasion. Okay, if you don't have time to tie your gele for an occasion, this is a very simple one you could do in 5 minutes and then you are good to go. So what I did was that I folded the tips of my Aso-oke and I tie across my head, just where you're seeing it. Then I arrange the tips this way and I tie firmly. What I did together, just ensure that the two are equal. So what I did here was I kind of arrange it, okay, make it straight and fold backwards. And I did the same thing to the next part of the Aso-oke. I arranged it and I break it backward. Okay, so the next thing I did here was to fold this way and bring them together. After that, I use my rubber band to hold it together, just the way you are seeing it now. Okay, I hold it together and the excess part behind I folded and fixed inside neatly. Okay, you can also use a pin to hold this so that it won't pull out or pull off later. Okay, so that's now I did here was to arrange this part, bring it out like a butterfly, just spread it out, and I also spread the other part of this Aso-oke. It's okay, I just spread them out and arrange properly. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to hold the two tips with my pin. Okay, so I'm going to arrange and hold them firmly and use my office pin to pin it together. And please do invisible pinning so that your pins will not be showing out and all that. So just keep watching and keep learning. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well by subscribing to this channel, like, share, and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. Okay, so I'm almost done with this style. So all I need to do here is to arrange it to look well. Okay, just to arrange it to look properly well. Okay, so to my subscribers, thank you so much for always coming around my channel. Thank you for always viewing my content. Thank you for always coming around. I really do appreciate you. So do ensure you share, you like this video, and also give this video a thumbs up. If there's any video you want me to make, any style, any video, please drop it at the comment section. Okay, and also I would like to know your take about this particular video. Yes, thank you for watching this video to this very end. See you in my next video. Bye for now.